Welcome back to this channel and new video. Today, we're going to guide you through the essential steps to verify ownership of your WordPress website in Google Search Console. Verifying ownership is crucial for accessing valuable data and insights about your site's performance in Google search results. Let's dive into. To get started, open your browser and visit the Google Search Console homepage and sign in with your Google account. I already have an account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Google Search Console dashboard. Click on the Add Property button located in the top left corner. Go to your website, copy your website's complete URL, and enter it in this searching box. Making sure it matches the exact URL you want to monitor. Google offers several methods to verify ownership. For WordPress websites, we'll focus on the HTML tag method, which is straightforward and doesn't require access to your site's hosting server. Get access in your WordPress dashboard. Then go to Plugins, Add New. Search for HFCM or Insert Headers and Footers. Click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. As you see in your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Settings, Insert Headers and Footers is added, and add new snippets. Follow settings closely in screen. This plugin allows you to add code snippets to the header and footer of your website without editing your theme files. When you completed the settings, return to Google Search Console. Select the HTML tag verification method. Google will provide you with a meta tag code snippet. Copy the entire code snippet provided by Google. Paste the meta tag code into the scripts and header section. Be sure to save your changes. Return to Google Search Console and click Verify. Google will then check for the presence of the meta tag on your website. If everything is correctly set up, you will see a success message confirming that ownership has been verified. Congratulations! You have successfully verified ownership of your WordPress website in Google Search Console. Now, you can start exploring the various tools and reports available to optimize your site's visibility and performance in search results. Google Search Console offers numerous benefits to website owners and digital marketers. It serves as a critical tool for monitoring and optimizing a site's performance in Google Search. Users can track how their site appears in search results, identify indexing issues, and receive alerts for errors such as mobile usability problems or security issues. Search Console also provides valuable data on search queries driving traffic to the site, helping optimize content accordingly. Additionally, it facilitates the submission of sitemaps for better crawling and indexing, enhances search result appearance with structured data, and alerts users to security issues or manual actions affecting their site's visibility. Furthermore, it offers insights into backlinks and helps ensure mobile friendliness, all of which are essential for maintaining and improving a site's presence in Google search results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.